Okay, I'm going to install this sink in record time. It's going to take 5 minutes. That's a push fit, and that's going to go on the cold. And that's another push fit, and that's going to go on the hot. And they're already plumbed in and connected. But I've turned the water pressure off. That's the waste, and that's just going to go in. I'm going to use my hands and this monkey wrench. And I've cheated slightly because I've kind of got everything set up already. And all I have to do is just connect those three things. Preparation, that was. First thing I'm going to do is turn the water pressure off. And I'm going to just turn on the taps in the bathroom just to release any existing pressure. Go. Alrighty, the water's off at the main, and released all the pressure in the bathroom taps. Now to take off this push fit stopper, and that should take a few seconds for that water to come out of this end. Yeah, and that's causing a bit of delay in my video. Now for the cold, same thing. Just taking it off by hand. There's a tiny bit of pressure there. Still a little bit of water coming out the hot pipe. Nearly finished. There we go. Let's put the sink in place. Oh, there's still a little bit of pressure in the hot pipe. Okay, sink is pretty much in place. Let's just catch that little bit of extra hot water. Let's put the cold on, pushing it on, and you pull it slightly. Now to connect the hot, I'm going to go the other side so you can see. There we go. That's on. They're pretty cool. Push fit. Now to connect the waste pipe. Just using my hands. Okay, I'm turning the water pressure back on at the main tap, and then I just run around to the bathroom and close the bathroom taps because they're still on. And I come back and I just test the taps and they work. Okay, I'm just going to test them properly again. And everything works. I could probably stop the video here, or stop the stopwatch, but I want to just check everything first. Yeah, I should tighten that a bit more. And I could even stop the clock again, but I'm going to clean the floor, because I'm just going to make it easy for everybody else if anyone wants to try and beat me and do this faster. Oh, look at that, 5 minutes, new sink installed. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share.